74% of businesses fail within their first 4 years of operation. And per the SBA, the major reason for small business failure is insufficient capital and lack of adequate funding. 86% of small businesses rely on some type of credit or financing for survival. But at the same time, 89% of these business applications were rejected financing when they went and applied. This leaves over 9 million American businesses that cannot get access to adequate credit and financing for their companies. So where will you go when you need money for your business? Your bank? Well, per the Department of Revenue, only 1.2% of all business loans and financing comes from conventional bank SBA loans. But there is good news. Money is available, but it's just not available at most banks. The Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today. The Finance Suite was created to solve the cash access problem that so many business owners face. The Finance Suite is only available through a very small exclusive group of partners around the United States. When you get access to your own Finance Suite, you'll see your partner's information right here at the top, and you'll also see the programs that you actually have access to. Now, in the example you're looking at now, you can see that you'll have access to the Business Credit Builder, which is designed to help you build your business credit from the ground up so you can get credit for your EIN number that is not linked to your Social Security number. You'll also have access with the Business Finance Suite to a Finance Blueprint Qualifier. This ties in with thousands of lenders and over 30 core financial products to help you get approved for financing, whether you're just starting a business or whether you're on the verge of major expansion. Let's dive into your Business Credit Builder first, so you can see how your company can build credit that's linked to the EIN, not your personal Social Security number, meaning that you can get this kind of business credit without needing a personal guarantee, and in many cases without requiring a personal credit check. Once you enter the Business Credit Builder, you'll arrive at a home screen that will give you a video introduction and tour of what you'll see and go through as you navigate through the Business Finance Suite. This video tour will walk you through the steps to take to actually get going and build your business credit. Once you've done this, you can then start your initial business credit building steps right with the very first step, step 1. As you'll enter step 1, you'll see that everything in the Finance Suite is very streamlined, easy to navigate and flow through the actual steps. You'll have your step overview right here on the right hand side, a progress bar where you can actually track your progress, videos that will walk you through each step of the process, tools and helpful hints that will help you along the way, even achievements that you'll be able to accomplish as you progress through. And what's cool about the Finance Suite is you can even share your progress with your friends using popular social media links. There's a few different kind of videos that you'll experience through the Finance Suite that will walk you through the process of building your business credit and getting financing. The first are videos that actually walk you through what you'll accomplish in each step as you navigate through the actual Finance Suite. You'll also see videos that will walk you through and explain to you in depth what you need to know along the way. You'll even see videos from our actual spokespeople that will explain to you what you're going to accomplish in each step, pitfalls that you might experience, and things you need to know to be able to successfully build your business credit. Now, what's beautiful about the Finance Suite is this will help everybody, whether you're just starting a brand new business or whether you've been in business 10 or even 20 years. The very first step of the Finance Suite of the 6 steps is to walk you through a simple business foundation to actually help make sure that your business is set up credibly so you stand the best chance of getting approved. A lot of people, over 90% per entrepreneur.com, don't even know what business credit is. And for those entrepreneurs that do, most don't know how to get it. Well, we fix this. We demystify, we decode this process for you in the Finance Suite in the Business Credit Builder. The very first step of building business credit is to make sure that your business is set up credibly. There's a set standards that credit issuers and lenders have. And if you meet these standards, you'll get approved. In a lot of cases, you'll be able to get approved through their automated automated systems. But if you don't meet these standards, you won't get approved. And until now, nobody's probably ever revealed to you the secret formula of approval. But in step 1 of the Finance Suite, that's exactly what we do. We walk you through each aspect of an application and explain to you exactly what the lender's looking for, even help you meet the criteria along the way so you'll know you stand the absolute best chance of getting approved before you even apply. So right here in step 1.1, Business Foundation, we explain to you the ins and outs of what lenders are looking for. Our spokesperson will walk you through what you're going to accomplish on this step, and you'll even get more information about establishing a business credible foundation. This business credibility is essential towards you getting approved for initial business credit. Because when you apply for initial business credit and you have none already, then what happens is they're going to look very deeply at your application to make sure that your business is set up credibly, where they'll want to issue you initial credit that reports to the business credit reporting agencies. So in the Business Foundation step, we actually walk you through and explain to you this exact 20-point criteria that lenders are looking for, so you'll know what to expect as you progress through step 1. As you do progress through step 1, we first walk you through basically the elements that you would include on an application and explain to you what lenders are looking for. So in step 1.2, we actually give you information you need to know about setting up your business name, including your DBA, also walking you through things like your business address, the need for a physical address on the application, and all kinds of other pitfalls that our clients actually run into. Believe it or not, one of the biggest reasons people are denied business credit is because they can't find the company when they go to look for them. So there's a lot of things tied into your name that must be done correct and across the board on all of your documents, including public records, including utility bills, including your licenses, your corporation papers, and we walk through all of that for you in step 1.2. We also explain exactly what they're looking for relating to getting a business address and setting it up correctly. Then you can enter information just as you would a normal application, but again, knowing that you're entering information that will get you approved as you progress. As you continue on, we'll also walk you through pitfalls for phone numbers, 411, even fax numbers. Believe it or not having a toll-free number, not having a fax number, not having your phone number listed in 411 are things that will get you denied business credit and a lot of financing. But if nobody teaches you these things, you'll not know. So in step 1.3, we explain in depth through our video training exactly what you need regarding 411 listing, fax numbers, and phone numbers. We even will help you get a 411 number established if you're not already set up in 411 now. Believe it or not, this is not easy to do. You can't just go to Google and get added into 411. There is a process to do this. Well, right through the Finance Suite, not only do we explain to you how this works, but we actually give you the option in one click and one submission of actually getting listed in 411, something that might cost you weeks worth of time to try to actually figure out a solution on your own. Next, we move in to your website and email. We talk to you about exactly what criteria credit issuers and lenders are looking for regarding your website, regarding your email address. Next, we progress to your EIN number. We help you understand your EIN number, which is extremely valuable because this is what your corporate credit is actually based on. One of the beautiful benefits of business credit is that you could build credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social security number. This means you're not personally liable for your actual business debts. And it also means that you can get approved without your personal credit being reviewed. But in order to do this, you need to make sure you have your EIN number set up. And through our video training, we explain to you exactly how to get that done and walk you through, even give you helpful resources like irs.gov, where you can easily and at no cost set up your actual EIN number. So hopefully, as you're seeing, one of the beautiful benefits of the Finance Suite is that even if you're starting a brand new business today, we walk you through every aspect of setting up a brand new business so you can make sure you do it right right from the beginning. But again, even if you're established business, the beautiful part about step one is that we make sure that what you are doing now works. Maybe you've been denied before because you haven't met one of these criteria. Most people have. So by understanding exactly what lenders are looking for as you're actually completing an application, this way again, you can ensure that you're meeting these lending standards before you even apply. All aspects of setting up your business, from making sure that your business licenses are set up, or even understanding your bank account, bank credit, how these type of things work, are explained to you through the Business Finance Suite. A lot of entrepreneurs don't know that they actually have three types of credit. You have your consumer or personal credit that's linked to your Social Security number. You have business credit, sometimes referred to as corporate credit, which is linked to your EIN. And banks have their own internal credit score for you also, known as a bank rating. Well, right here in step 1.7, we explain to you the importance of setting up a bank account the right way and how your bank rating score even works. If you don't know it, aren't familiar with your bank rating, it becomes very difficult for you to ever walk into a bank and get a loan because you don't know the actual credit report that they're looking at. But in this step, we decode this for you so you understand exactly how your bank rating actually works. If you're not set up to accept credit cards right now, in step 1.8 will help you through that actual process. And in step 1.9, we wrap up all of the actual credibility points that you've went through to, again, just do a summary to make sure that you do meet the lending criteria before you even apply. So next step we move to is step 2. In the Finance Suite, step 2 is all about getting access to business credit reports. It's about understanding how Experian, how Equifax, and how Dun & Bradstreet actually aggregate and collect your data. This is extremely important. You see, in the business world, anybody can pull your business credit report. They don't need to have your permission to do so. I can go online right now and easily get your business's information. So you need to make sure that you understand where this information is coming from that goes on to your actual credit reports, because your clients, your competitors, even your prospects and potential buyers of your company can all see your business credit. So in step 2, we walk through Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax and help you understand exactly how they aggregate data, where they actually get data from. We even help you get access to your DUNS number at absolutely no cost. If you ever speak with Dun & Bradstreet Credibility, more than likely they're going to sell you a program with their credit builder where you get a DUNS number, you get your credit profile activated, and that package could cost thousands of dollars, but not through the Finance Suite. In the Finance Suite, we help you activate your credit profiles with Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet at no cost whatsoever. We also help you get access to your free DUNS number in one click. So in step 2, not only can you understand and get a lot of information about how credit scores and how credit profiles are actually established with the reporting agencies, but you'll also get access to things such as your free DUNS number without having to pay anything for them. So this way, you can make sure that you understand how your business credit reports work, understand where the data comes from, and even take the steps to establish your initial business credit without actually have to pay to do so. Okay, we even walk through and help you fix inaccuracies if you do have any negative information on your credit report. So you can see here that in single clicks, you can access Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet report data. And right here, you can actually go to fix any inaccuracies that you have on your report. That's right. The Finance Suite isn't just designed to help you build business credit, but it's also designed to help you fix business credit. So if you have inaccuracies or information that's harmful to you that might not be accurate or verifiable, then in one click you can go through each reporting agency and actually dispute that information. And with the Business Finance Suite, you're guided through this process with certified business advisors. Some of our business advisors have helped nearly 20,000 entrepreneurs build business credit. They are the most experienced experienced and knowledgeable business credit experts in the industry today. And through the Finance Suite, they'll help you not only with all aspects of building your business credit, but even if you have negative information on your report and you need to dispute it, they'll help you with all aspects of that also. So once you get through and you understand the depths of business credit reporting, business credit scoring, how these type of things work, then the next thing is we move into actually getting access to your business credit reports. You'll learn about the reporting for Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Experian. You'll also get in-depth information on actually reading your business credit reports. We decipher this for you. And a lot of your links that you have are discount links. So for example, if you need access to a physical address or virtual address solution in step 1, if you need access to a website or a phone solution, we give you access to those type of relationships at a good size discount. Even the same applies for business credit monitoring. If you're wanting to monitor your business credit reports right through the Finance Suite, you could do so and get a discount on the credit monitoring. And that's not even the best part. With your Experian report, you actually get free access to Experian Smart Business without having to pay anything for it. Now, don't get me wrong. If you want to get free Experian, if you want to get access to your full Experian reports, you will pay for them. But by getting access to your basic Experian data, you can monitor your trade lines, whether you have a credit profile, whether you have a profile plus, all at absolutely no cost. This means if you don't want to pay for credit monitoring, you don't need to. Through the Finance Suite for free, we have an exclusive relationship with Experian, which allows you to get the basic data of what's on your report, all that you'll really need to build business credit without paying even a dime for the credit monitoring, saving you hundreds of dollars a year. But again, if you do want to actually get full credit reports with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, we make that available for you, and you'll be able to actually get these at a discount. And again, one of the best parts, one of my favorite parts of the Business Finance Suite is that we even give you video walkthroughs that will explain to you exactly how the business credit reports work, exactly how your business credit scores work. As you can see, the videos will actually go through an entire report, explain to you the different sections, explain to you everything you need to know to get an absolute complete understanding of all your business credit reports and scores with each of the business credit reporting agencies. Once you get access to your credit reports and know how these reports work, how data is aggregated, and exactly how to decipher them and how your credit scores work, then we move into the next stage, which is actually building your business credit. What you need to know about building business credit is this: any business can build business credit. It doesn't matter if you just started today. Through the Finance Suite, we help you, even as a brand new startup business, walk through the steps to actually get credit that's linked to your EIN and not linked to your Social Security number. As a matter of fact, through the Finance Suite, we actually explain to you the steps of going through and getting business credit without even including your Social Security number on the application, which means the credit issuer can't even pull your personal credit because you're not supplying your social to do so. All of the information you need to do this is available in the Finance Suite. And if for some reason you don't prefer to go through and listen to our spokespeople or our videos that'll walk you through this, you can also click right here and get text for all of the videos. So whichever is an easier way for you to absorb the information, you can do so. So right here in step 4, what we do is we start you off with starter vendors. These are vendors that will approve any business that's just getting started for business credit. You see, this is where people get stuck with building business credit. They get stuck because over 90% of trade vendors don't report to the business credit reporting agencies. So most entrepreneurs have no idea where to go to get initial business credit. But through the Business Finance Suite, we give you an abundance of sources to get started and grow your business credit. And we make it very easy to actually access these sources. So for example, if we look at Lockwood and Associates, you'll see that through the Finance Suite, we list each one that will give you an account even if you're a brand new company. We list the description of what products and services those companies offer, the exact requirements to actually qualify, and we even give you the information here to apply. So for example, with this account, all you need is a 411 number, bank account, and EIN number, and lucky for us, we already accomplished all those things in step 1, so we're already ready to move on and apply. So in step 3, in the very first part of step 4, 4.2, you're actually going to get access to all of these sources where you can come through, read a description, figure out exactly what's needed to qualify, and in one click actually be able to go and apply. Plus you'll see which agencies they actually report to, what kind of terms they provide, even their contact information all in one place. One of the beautiful things about the Business Finance Suite is that you don't need to leave the system to be able to do anything involved in building business credit and getting financing. Everything that you need to do to build your business credit and get financing, you have access to right in the Finance Suite, and you get the help of our certified business advisors. This is available nowhere else on the planet. Yes, you might run into some information about vendors out there you can use, but you're not going to find all this information about where they report to, terms, the description of their products and services, most importantly, their actual underwriting criteria. By making sure your business is set up credibly in step 1 and then giving you the underwriting criteria for the source in step 4, you actually stand a really good chance of getting approved because you know exactly what they're looking for before you even apply. And again, in one click, you can easily go through and be set up and ready to get approved. And a lot of these are backlinks that are not easily discoverable that we make available. So we just simplify the process of you actually being able to come in and build your business credit. And with some sources where you're going to actually need to apply online, we even provide you video instructions walking you through the process. So you can actually watch a video of exactly how to go through the process of actually applying. And again, don't forget the value of this information, of their actual underwriting guidelines. For example, this one source might not approve you right away. If you don't have a certain amount of trade lines, you might have to apply 2 or 3 times. But if you don't know this, then you're never going to be successful at getting approved. The Finance Suite, we decode this, we make it easy for you to come through and actually get approved. And that's just getting started. Once you get your starter vendors, we have access to more and more and more sources right in the Finance Suite that you can get approved for. Look at all of these sources that you can actually get business credit that doesn't require a personal guarantee, and in most cases doesn't even require a personal credit check. And the sources go on and on. Credit at places like AutoZone and Macy's and Amazon and Staples is all available. And again, most of this is available without a personal guarantee, without a personal credit check. Each source, who is listing, who they're reporting to, the terms they offer, their underwriting guidelines, everything you need to be successful in building your business credit. We even then move on. After we've got you started, after we've got you 5 or 10 trade line accounts, you can actually then move on to the next step and get revolving accounts for your company with major stores and Visa, MasterCard, even American Express cards that you can use anywhere. Business building time frame is one of the huge benefits of business credit. It doesn't take long. Initially, you can get vendor accounts in step 4 immediately from getting access to your own Finance Suite. Beyond that, you can then get access to revolving store credit within 90 days or less, and you can get to a level where you're getting Visa, MasterCard type credit within 4 to 6 months total time. And again, this is regardless of your personal credit quality, and most of this credit is available without a personal guarantee. The Finance Suite is the most comprehensive solution in the world today when it comes to business credit and financing, because you get both. You get access to financing, loans, credit lines for your business, and you get all aspects of business credit building. So in the final step, step 6, we actually teach you to think like a lender. We walk through and explain to you exactly what lenders are looking for, exactly what credit issuers are looking for when you apply for loans. So again, not only could you meet the criteria to get approved for business credit, but as you move to the next stage of the finance suite, you can make it easier on yourself to start getting approved for business financing. So as you can see here, the finance suite is the most comprehensive solution, especially when it comes to business credit building. We help you with all aspects of the process, from making sure your business is set up credibly, understanding exactly what's on your business credit reports and how your business credit reports work, and how data is aggregated on your reports, walking you through and helping you get access to monitor your business credit, even through a free resource like Experience Smart Business. Then all aspects of building business credit, from finding and easily applying for starter vendors that will help any business build business credit, even if you just open your doors, all the way through to advanced business credit building, where you can get Visa, MasterCard credit that's linked to your EIN, not your social security number, and wrapping up helping you think like a lender and make sure that you can help understand why lenders think and why lenders act the way they do, which gives you the best chance of getting approved for business financing. And that brings us to the next step of the business finance suite, the Finance Blueprint Qualifier. The Finance Blueprint Qualifier is one more aspect that's designed to help you solve the cash access problem. You see, as you learned in the very beginning part of this video, less than 2% of all business loans actually come from conventional banks. Most financing nowadays comes from alternative lenders. Here's the problem. The problem is most of these alternative sources only offer you one or two different kinds of financing options. So if you don't know exactly what you're looking for, you're not going to find it. Well, not anymore. The Business Finance Suite brings in 30 core funding products. Almost every legitimate funding product that exists in the business world today is available to you through the Finance Suite. And it also includes access and links with thousands of different lenders. So what you'll do is come in and fill out a quick qualifier about how much money you're looking for, how fast you would like the money, what you're looking for the money for, and then we'll go through and ask you a series of questions that will help us know exactly what you might qualify for. Now, the beautiful thing is the Finance Suite does what normal person can't do. It actually ties in and helps you make sure that you can meet these lending guidelines. It actually has an automated underwriting approval engine, which goes ahead and ties in with all of these different lenders. So when you complete this information, we cross-check it against exactly what the lender's guidelines are, and then determine for you an actual qualification, how much money you can actually get approved for. You see, no human can actually do this with thousands of lenders and 30 core funding products, but our actual technology does. Our technology actually helps you understand and get linked to all available funding programs that you might qualify for. So here's how this works. If you have a business strength, you can typically be approved. So what is a business strength? Well, a business strength is, do you have some type of collateral? Or do you have good credit or a personal guarantor that does? Or do you have consistent cash flow? If you have one of those three things, there's a very good chance you can qualify for business financing. So once you enter your company's information in the Blueprint Qualifier, we then come through and give you additional information on all of the programs that you'll actually qualify for. Now, not available in this example, but you'll actually be able to click through and look at videos that will give you descriptions of the qualifying criteria, rates, terms, all those kind of specifics. You can even read information here about the program, see exactly what they're looking for verification of income or credit or whatever it may be. You can even drag and drop those files right here. So for example, if you're getting approved for revenue financing, they're going to want to look at your bank statements for approval. That's it. They're not going to look at your tax returns. They're not going to look at all these other aspects that are needed for normal loan approval. And if you have your bank statements, you can easily drag and drop them right here for your actual finance team to use for your formal approval. Unsecured financing, same thing. If you have a copy of your credit report, you drag it, drop it in here. This is all that's needed to qualify for unsecured financing. So with each program, you're able to easily get your documents securely into the Finance Suite and your finance team, get really in-depth in-depth details through video and text of each program, and easily go through and get approved with thousands of different lenders and multiple different programs. So a couple things I want to add. There's a reason we call it a finance blueprint, because what we do is sit with you, find out exactly what it is you're looking to do, exactly what you can qualify for, and then we develop a blueprint of all available finance options for you. As a matter of fact, many of our clients end up getting 2, 3, 4, even 5 different types of financing. Maybe you'll get cash flow financing, unsecured financing, equipment financing, 401k financing, and private money, for example. Many of our clients do. And the best part is you no longer need to dissect and decode all of this on your own. You actually have access to your own certified finance officer. Many of our finance officers have already closed over $100 million in business funding for entrepreneurs. Their job is to help you develop a finance blueprint to help you meet and exceed your goals and then go to work for you. Their job is to shop rates. Their job is to shop your terms. Their job is to find the most amount of money for you at the best terms possible. Look, you probably have an accountant that helps you with accounting questions. You probably have attorneys that help you with legal questions. Wouldn't it be nice to have an expert in your corner that's whole job is to help you with getting money for your business? With the Finance Suite, that's exactly what you have. You actually have access to your own certified business advisors that help you with all aspects of building business credit, and you actually have access to your own certified finance officer that will help you for 5 years with all aspects of getting financing. If you need a loan, you simply call them, tell them what it is you're looking to accomplish. They help develop your finance blueprint, and they go to work to help you get the financing, all aspects of handling the paperwork with minimal input from you. And with you working with the finance officer, together you can then get your loans closed, in some cases in as little as 48 hours. So as I said in the beginning, the Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today. It's the only solution that really combines business credit building and financing, giving you the ability to get credit lines and loans for your business, to get financing to help you get started, to help you get financing to majorly expand, whether it be tens, $20 million. Or you also have access to the business credit building, or I should say, and you have access to the business credit building, because the business credit building is both a short and long-term solution. Any business can qualify for business credit as long as you have an entity set up, and we help you do that right in step 1 of the business credit builder. So even if you can get financing now with building your business credit, this helps set you up for long-term success to be able to get even more financing at really good terms. The Business Finance Suite solves the cash access problem by making it easily accessible for you to get access to business credit building, no matter what your situation is, and get financing that's based on the strengths of your business, not looking at your overall business, which is what most conventional lenders do. So the bottom line is, the Finance Suite makes it as easy as it possibly can be for you to build your business credit and get access to financing to start, build, and grow a successful business. So get with a partner that is represented or that represents the Finance Suite. Get with the exclusive partner that gave you access to this video so they could talk to you more about what the Finance Suite can actually do for you in your business, and even give you a guided tour, demo tour through your own potential Finance Suite so you can see what the Finance Suite can do for you to help you get started, build, and grow a successful business. So again, welcome to the Business Finance Suite, the most comprehensive financial solution for businesses in the world today.